She want the banana all up in her hands. What do the bitch know? I'm finna click like flashes, the sound of the camera. Damn hoe, rubbing up the set with bananas. Make it disappear like abracadabra. Fuck bitch, that includes you, it's official like I'm ooh, you're a real bad bitch with a henna tattoo. Coming from, oh wait, it's you. I don't give a fuck if you pull up with your crew, cause I know for a fact they don't know how to shoot. If they do, I hope that you just pray for all your members and remember all your memories. Remember that you fuck the metal when my goons are in your head, make you wish you dead. Motherfucker, you just scared, fuck a gun, use a gun instead. Hey, fuck the bitch, use your hands instead.
And I'm coming at your head with them weapons. Better tackle on your left, no give a fuck. Now you're tested, motherfucker. I ain't
been in a brand new phone with your goddamn bitch. I'm a goddamn dick. Nigga talking shit, he get hit with a stick. Now for you click and your mama to the kid. Test me, you get the motherfucking job like a high school kid. I'm with the mob, goddamn bumpin'. I be with the wall with the motherfucking tell me in the car with the chop. Oh, wait, hold up. I think my mom is calling. Oh, never mind, that's your bitch. I'm the nigga with the Mac and the gas and the racks with the chop don't blast. Impossible among us, they will not last. She would give me laugh tall like she was a Mac. The damn TV for the D like she can't get a C or a B on her SATs. Make her SAP on her WAP. She fuck with me, I'm a bust times 3. Hey, when the pussy have a jogging, young ass nigga get the net, no talking. Oh, I be like the Randy with a bitch so hard in the head, I be shaking his noggin. Yeah, chef go Randy with the sauce, guaranteed boss. Oh, my fucking big bras, I got your hoes in twos, not on your bitches shoes. Yeah.
Tryna take a hit, bitch, I'ma get you lit. Design all over bust up your little bitch, abracadabra. I'ma get you lit. Design all over my body. Bust up your little bitch, abracadabra on my magic shit.